Laksagaw is a combination of the words dasal, lakbay, sayaw, at sigaw, which captures the nature of the celebration that takes place. Participants are dressed in colorful costumes, and for hours they dance and sing praises to the rhythm of drums and other native instruments as a thanksgiving to our Señor Santo Niño. Here is the Dalagsana float of Tondo, Manila! And the reigning Reyna ng Aliwan, a representative ng Laksagaw of Tondo, Manila. Ayan ang kanilang napakagandang.
Yan, palakpakan naman po natin!
At ang Santo Niño.
Oo, alam mo kanina, akala ko talagang hindi totoo. Akala ko hindi gumagalaw ng gumalaw. Ay, tao pala!
Gumagalaw siya.
Galing eh, no?
Nakapunta ka na ba dyan sa San Agustin? Sa may intra